Hello guys, welcome. We will keep studying Chinese. Here we are. 我不想出去. 我 means I. 不想 means want. 不想 don't want. 出去 means go out. 我不想出去. I don't want to go out. 我真想好好看你呢. I 真 means really. 想 want. 好好 here adverb well or good. Kan means look, ni means you. So I really want to look at you well. 我谁也不想看见. Before we learned 我一点也不累.我一点也不累. I'm not tired at all. So 谁 here who. 也 means also 不想 don't want. 见面 means meet. It means I don't wanna meet anyone. 我想也不想我谁也不想看见. 100条也不行, 我就想这个小孩. 100 means 100. 条 it's a measure word. Normally here we will use for fish this measure word. 也不行, 行 means okay, but 100 fish also not okay. I just guess it can be different thing. But this sentence probably I took from a story. So because it says 我就想吃, I just want to 吃 eat. 个小孩, 小孩 means little child. So I just want to eat little child. So 100 fish also not okay. So it's kind of a story. For example, somebody escaped as still a child. So his father offered 100 fish to that man or that monster. I'm not sure which story is it. 我还想睡觉呢. 还 means still, 想 want. 睡觉 means sleep. I still want to sleep. 想到 means think. 想 has three different meaning. One of them is want, the other one is think, and miss. Here think, 想到. 也好了means it's okay. 想到是了 means yes. We can say he thinks yes. 你最好先去看看爸爸. 你最好 best. 最好 means best. 先 means first. 去 go. 看看 means look. 爸爸 means father. You the better first go to look father. 今天不想看书了, 睡觉了. 今天 means today. 不想 don't want. 看书 means read book. So I don't want to read book today. 睡觉了. Let's sleep. 您就快些去吧. 您 means you. 就 just 快些 a little fast. 去吧. You just go a little fast. 200米也不放过. 200 means 200. Mi means meter. 200 meters. 也不放过. 放过 means slip by. So they are walking on the road. So one of them is say 200米也不放过. We haven't walk 200 meter. 儿子回答 son answer. 回答 means answer. 我今天3岁了. 我今年3岁了. 我 means I. 今年 means this year. 3岁 means 3 years old. I am 3 years old this year. 男孩回答 男孩 also same meaning. Son. 回答 means an answer. So the son or the boy answer, 和去年一样。和 something 一样 means same with something. 去年 means last year. With last year same with last year. 老爷爷回答道 here also answer. 老 old, 爷爷 means grandfather. Old grandfather answered. 他很有见识的回答我。他很 means very. You have. 见识 means knowledge. It's a grammar point. 回答 I will explain. 回答 means answer. 我 means I. 见识 knowledge. So 有见识 means knowledgeable. So 很有见识 very knowledgeable. If you use this the before verb, and you can use here adjective, but its meaning is adverb. It's kinda adverb. So he answered my question, answered me, very knowledgeable. 男孩回答 the boy answered, 和前年一样。前年means the year before last year. So with the year before last year, same. 我不想细说。我 means I, 不想 don't want. 细 means wash. 说 means hand. I don't wanna wash hand. 快 quick, fast. 快去洗手。快去 quickly go. 洗手 wash your hand. 你听好了。听 listen. 好 means good. You listen very well. 谁也不知道。谁和也 also 不知道。Don't know. So nobody know this one. 谁也听不见。听见 means hear. Nobody didn't hear. 我想听听呢。我 means I 想 want 听 listen. I wanna listen. I want to listen. 真要谢谢你，孩子。真 means really. 要 means want. 谢谢 means thank you. Thanks. 你 means you. 孩子 means child. I really want to thank you, child. 谢谢你，小叔。小叔 here is the name. Thank you. 小叔。谢谢妈妈。Thank you, mother. 谢谢 thank you. 谢谢你 thank you. So here 东东 it's also a name. Thank you 东东。好的，知道了。好的 means okay. 知道了 I know. Okay, I know. 这是他的一天。这是 this one is 他的 his 一天 one day. This is his one day. 不过 means but. 他真的很好。真的 means really. 很好 means very good. But he is really good. 好的，好的。Okay, okay. 真的谢谢你，孩子。真的 really 谢谢你。Thank you, child. 是这样写的。是 means there is a something, for example, book. 这本书是这样。这样 means like this. 写的。写 means write. So this book is written like this. 是这样写的。小鸡写的字真好。小鸡 here it's a name. Now G means chicken. 小鸡写的 so字 means character, 写 means write. 真好 really good. So the character which 小鸡wrote is 真好 really good. 不是的 no. should means yes. 我饿了. 饿 means hungry. I am hungry. 房间的门关着了. 房间 means room. 房间的门 means door. 房间的门 room's door. 关 means close. So the room's door, the door of the room is closed. 不 no. 还是 or 先找你的. 先 means first. 找 look for. 你的 yours. So no. Or first look for yours. 我找的不是你. 我 is I. 找 look for. But here 我找的 there is something which I am looking for is not 不是你. So I am not looking for you. 我有一天 means one day in the past. 孩子看到一个外星球来的老爷爷. 孩子 means child. 看到 saw 一个 one 外星球. 星球 means heavenly body. 来的 come. 老爷爷. 老 means old. 爷爷 means grandfather. So the child is seeing coming outside the earth the old grandfather. Okay guys, in next video we will read this one. I hope you can learn something from my video. See you next time. Bye bye.